Although the TFX-5000 ultrasonic transit time flow meter is not in contact with the liquid, the sensors are mounted outside of the pipe. It uses a very sophisticated sampling method that uses two sensors that fire upstream and downstream, and we can measure the velocity of the liquid within the pipe. As we know the diameter of the pipe, once we program the device, we're able to actually calculate the volume, and using temperature sensors, we can also measure the energy use in real time.